Okay, I'm back. This is for all you guys that ever have to change a belt on one of these. These belts, there's no way to get to them through here. You have to take loose this, which I'll see if I can get a better angle on it. This comes off the front snout of the engine. This is for the diesel, the Grasshopper 721. Now, take out this bolt and this bolt, but not these two. There's one here and one on the opposite side. That one and that one. And then I will take you around to this side. So you can see see inside there? See the bolt? Clear. Well, that's not working out very well, but the bolt down on the bottom, not the one up in the bracket. The one in the bottom comes through this direction and bolts into the end housing, basically the crank pulley on the front there. And I know my finger's all over the place. But you take out the two bolts there, and then this whole rod here can drop down. And then you can slide these two belts off that direction. Get them off, put on the new ones, and then just lift the crank, this shaft. See my finger down there? This shaft back up into place and put the bolts back in it. 4 bolts. I have no idea what the torque specs are. I just put it down tight. I didn't even know how to do it. I just looked it over and decided that was probably the best way to get it apart. So for now, there, maybe you can see it now. The light shining straight on it, right there. The thing is leaning back that direction. And if you look at the bolt head, you see it's not straight in the hole. Okay, let's try this one again. What I'm doing is changing this idler pulley. This is the one that broke the belt. And this pulley is shot and you can't drive it. I made it a whole 150 feet before it ripped the belt off. So I'm going to change that out. And since I can't work with you right here, I'm going to set you over here. That's an ugly seat out of a Blazer. So you can at least get an idea of what I'm doing. I know this stuff is just way exciting. But hey, I'm new to this. I'm just kind of playing around. Oh, hey, first thing we got to do is go the right direction, huh? Oh, that wasn't too bad. Kind of like this little ratchet. Move the arm down. You see, right there is where it locked up. And I'm like 99% sure that's where it decided to tear the bearing out. As you can see, it doesn't really turn very well. This is our new one. It appears that it don't need all these washers. I'm going to guess that somebody... Wait a minute. No, that's how that goes. No special markings. It does say VIP. It either stands for VIP or very important part. I'm starting to think whoever installed this last one put it on backward, because this was on the outside and then they put all the washers on this side, which just seems wrong. I think it should have a washer. Yes, let's put a washer here. Oh, that's much better. And we got 2 holes. Did I pay attention to which one it came out of? Kinda halfway. And to make this a little bit easier, we'll put the belt on. Oh yeah, that was much better. Again, turn the ratchet the right direction. Find a good spot for the... Perfect. Next, I will attempt to show you I really need a light. Sorry for the delay. Next is that idler pulley. Alright. Of course you can't see through my hand. Right down there. Now let's see if I can get you in line here so you can see. I doubt that you can tell. But it's leaning off this direction. The whole arm is. So I'm going to have to pull that arm off, and I will probably go ahead and change out the idler pulley on that one and just keep it back for a spare. This should be a lot more interesting because its bolt is clear up there where I know you can't see, and now you're upside down. So we'll come back for that one. Okay, we're back to the Grasshopper. This is the seat I'm going to put in it, at least for now. I've already got the bottom marked as to where I want all the holes. And now I just have to drill them all out. No, I'm not using a cordless drill. Sometimes I just like the power of a corded drill. And now I get to find out how many of my drill bits are dull. How many still have a bit of an edge on them? Or maybe I should just say how many I'm going to have to sharpen. Well, let's just say that one is definitely not sharp. Fortunately, I only have to go up to 5/16. Let's try this one. These back here are going to be the hardest ones when I start getting up to the larger size. Just because they're actually going to open up into this part. Yeah, let's see. Let's go with a quarter. All my drill bits are terribly dull. I do sharpen them once in a while. And I bought myself one of them little handy dandy tools that sharpens your bits. It actually works if you can get it loaded in there right. Their instructions leave just a tiny bit to be desired as to insert the bit, put it at the point, except for they give you two different points. safety, so that I don't have to worry about somebody, if I leave the keys in this thing, jumping on it, taking off. Yeah, that's good. Just throw the metal off. I still got to remount this plate too. And that'll get my wiring back where it belongs. Which, well, somewhere in this mess, I've got that plate. I did take off the shield that was on, well, it was up here, which you probably can't even see. Follow my hand. Right there. The belt doesn't shake or vibrate, nothing touches, everything is good. Hopefully that seat will sit there, and I don't think I got to worry about getting thrown out. And I still got a headlight to put in way over here. I almost got this thing ready to mow.